Hi Bonono. So here again, no, cook the sample with me is tandazam. You know the sample is a combine of the beans and the mealies, ne? Here I was washing the mealies so that is hygienic, ne? Before I cook. Because I cook first. Ne? Here again, no, I was remove the date. You know when you put the water, the date is come up, he show himself. Here again, no, I was separated the stick with the ox, with the eggs. I separate kodwa so that is make the fire. Yeah, boy, it's easy to make the fire again. No, don't mind my ex is a short base again. No. So up again, no, I ran away with the paper is full of fire. Yo, when I see is burn, my brother help again, no, to take and run again, no. So that we make fire. So I also add the sack. I don't know, but to make more fire so that the fire is not go away. Here I was wash the pot again so that I put the sample inside. My sister Appa was already to finish to sleep. He's come in the kitchen. So here again I was putting the sample so that is boiled first. So here again I was remove the dirty in the beans. You know the beans is always dirty himself. I was already again washed. I forget to show you when I wash. After that I cook. My brother here was remove the grass so that is not touch the house. You see the grass when is touch the house is damage the house again. Here he was removed again so that even the water of the rain is run smoothly when the rain is come. So here again I show you the spices I use so that it is used to make the sample to be a taste. Here again, I was already put the spices so that I combine again the sample and the spices. So it's like that. Here again, I was already combine. You see, is a combine again. One person of the combine. Here, I was finished up and enjoy myself. When I cook, me is good cook too much. Is good cook too much. No, don't think it's not a cook. Here again, my sister was already enjoy herself for Appa to eat the sample. My sample is out of this world. Me is love sample to cook sample. The sample is cooked for 4 hours. Even my mother, see my mother Appa, is enjoy too much. We sit up again in the mthunzi so that because the sun was out of this world again. Bye.